Before you buy your next product, what if you had a personal shopping assistant who's smart, fast, and never tries to upsell you? Well, meet ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a free AI chatbot created by OpenAI. You type in a question, and it gives you a clear, human-like answer. It's like having your own 24/7 research assistant without the hourly fee. Why use ChatGPT for shopping? Tired of reading endless reviews and comparing products online? ChatGPT does the heavy lifting by summarizing key info instantly. Just ask it to compare products, explain differences, or recommend options that fit your needs. Real example, number 1. Let's say you're buying a new phone. Ask, compare the iPhone 15 versus Samsung Galaxy S24 for camera quality, battery life, and price. ChatGPT might say, the iPhone 15 has better video quality, the Galaxy S24 offers better zoom and battery life, and Samsung often gives better discounts. Real example Nutter 2. Or try something like, what are the best air purifiers under $200 with washable filters? ChatGPT might give you a list of top models with quick pros and cons and where to find them. Other prompts you can try. Here are a few more ChatGPT prompts you can use right now. What's the difference between OLED and QLED? Should I wait for the next MacBook? Compare the Dyson V15, Shark Stratos, and Tineco S12. Or summarize the Amazon reviews for this product, pros and cons only. Tips for better results. To get the best results from ChatGPT, follow these tips. Be specific. Mention your budget or how you'll use the product. Ask follow-up questions and use it to summarize reviews or long descriptions. Final thoughts. ChatGPT won't tell you what to buy, but it helps you make smarter, faster, more informed decisions. It's like having a research assistant who never sleeps and never judges your cart full of midnight impulse buys. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy smarter shopping!